Hey, right, so I made a video online over $1 million in sales its first year.
In a world where the digital landscape is a canvas of endless possibilities, one name has risen to the top, capturing hearts and inspiring minds. Get ready to embark on an electrifying journey as we dive deep into the remarkable come-up story of none other than the dynamo himself, Biaheza. Step into Biaheza's shoes and witness the evolution of a young visionary. Armed with an insatiable hunger for success, he began his online odyssey with the click of a button and a dream that knew no bounds. Late nights blurred into early mornings as Biaheza's relentless determination powered his journey into the world of dropshipping. Armed with a laptop, an unyielding work ethic, and a ton of creativity, he was ready to take on any challenge that came his way. But Biaheza was no ordinary hustler. He was a strategic mastermind who turned failures into stepping stones, challenges into opportunities, and setbacks into fuel for his fiery determination. His analytical approach set him apart, and it wasn't long before the online world took notice. With every pivot, every breakthrough, Biaheza's success became a testament to the power of innovation and adaptation. I'm not just here to flaunt the wins. I'm here to share the entire roller coaster ride, the ups, the downs, and everything in between. Biaheza's transparency resonated with a global audience hungry for authenticity. He wasn't just teaching e-commerce, he was sharing a mindset, a philosophy of relentless growth and learning. As his YouTube channel became a hub for aspiring entrepreneurs, Biaheza's charisma and knack for simplifying complex concepts turned him into a trusted mentor, guiding newcomers through the labyrinth of online business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's about embracing the grind and making every moment count. But Biaheza's journey was far from over. Riding the wave of his dropshipping triumphs, he set his sights on new horizons, from e-commerce consulting to launching his very own brand. With each new venture, Biaheza's indomitable spirit remained unchanged. Challenges were mere stepping stones, and the pursuit of greatness was his unyielding compass. Remember, it's not where you start, it's about the journey you're willing to take. Today, Biaheza stands tall as a symbol of the digital revolution's boundless potential. From a single click to a multi-dimensional empire, he's proven that with the right mindset, unwavering determination, and a dash of creativity, anyone can script their own success story. So, whenever you find yourself doubting the odds, remember the electrifying saga of Biaheza. He's not just a success story, he's an embodiment of hustle, heart, and the belief that dreams are within reach for those willing to seize them. Stay tuned for more inspiration and remember, keep hustling.